Hey guys, this is Mehdi at Choosing Options. Today is Wednesday, June the 20th. This is a trade of a day. Actually, I placed two trades. Market still open, so when you get this, you can place them. Um, let's see. This is a scan going from the top of the list. If you don't understand any of these columns, go through my first video. The first one would be Yelp, but Yelp the earnings are too close on Yelp, so I didn't place that one. The next one, EWW, which we already have a trade open, so I didn't trade that one either. VLO, the earnings too close. STT, the volume is too low. And the next best thing was this guy, MPC. I placed the Strangle on this one. I placed a Strangle 62 and a half, 85. 62 and a half on a put, 85 on a call in August. They expire in about less than 60 days, somewhere between 50 and 60 days. The next one, John Deere, I placed that one as well. Yeah, I collected $182. 165 on a call, 115 on a put. By the way, I wanted to say this at the beginning of the video. Today I closed the Johnson and Johnson. Earnings are getting close, and also I didn't like the way it acted. It didn't depreciate, so I closed it right at the what we opened it. So after 5-6 days, um, I didn't see any that much depreciation, and we're getting too close to the earnings. So I just went in and I closed it at no cost. I broke even on that one. Um, what else I wanted to say? So S&P, I think, yeah, SPX is about 60 of its own percentile, and these two are looking decent, John Deere and MPC. So I placed two trades, these two today. When you get this, go ahead and place that in your paper account, and we'll trace it hopefully in about 20-30 days. I'll do another video closing this. I did a video on I forget what it was, but EWW is getting close, so as soon as that I close that one, I'll put another video on that one. Okay guys, happy trading. Like this video, or subscribe, or call me, or contact me, however. Thanks, bye.